Welcome back, Movie Masters. I must say today I am very, very excited. And I'll tell you why. One, if you've been watching before, you may have noticed I've finally got a bit more of a studio setup now. I've got some proper lights, I've got a nice desk. In fact, this desk can move, which I think is pretty cool. So if I want to be standing or working on a project, that's going to make things a hell of a lot easier. Anyway, I'm not here to talk about the desk or the lights, although we are going to talk about them in a different episode. Here today, I am unboxing, yes, the DJI Air 3. Now, I have had the Mini 3 Pro now for a while, and I am a huge fan. But mine has taken it to the limits, and I've had to glue it together a couple of times, and finally the footage it's getting is just not good enough to be, well, on a commercial level, so I thought I'd level up a bit. Anyway, I've literally just got this. I haven't even opened it. All I've done is taken off the plastic wrapping. So let's see what we get inside, and then we'll have a little bit of a comparison to from the size to the Mini 3 Pro, and we can have a quick talk about what we've got and what we're going to use this for, and how much better these extra features are going to be. So if you do want to take it to the next level, I mean, I was very happy with my Mini 3 Pro, only because of the fact that it is now a bit broken, because it is now beyond repair. It is time to upgrade, and when you're going to upgrade, well, go bigger. So let's open this baby up. So I will mention, I did get the Fly More combo, and comes with a nice back. Here we go. I'm just gonna put this box neatly away down there. Okay, so I like how it's very neatly packed away. It just comes with a little latch that just latches off there. Now, okay, it's all just packed away. I'll just put each one of these over here. Ooh. I guess that's all that's in the bag. I'll put the bag away. Now, this I'm pretty excited for, because on the Mini 3 Pro, it has the RC1. Now this is the RC2. Now one of the major upgrades with this is it has antennas. So as you can see, yeah, it's got these two antennas on top, and they greatly extend the range. Now, as the last one, they have the little screws for the remote in the back. So I'll just screw them on. And these screens are really clear. I mean, when I originally upgraded from the Spark to the Mini and then went to the Mini 3 Pro and got that big, huge screen, it just makes all the difference in the world once you go from a phone. Now, I'm guessing this is going to be the charging case. So this pack comes with 3 batteries. Now, I think one battery is going to be inside it. Now, the batteries are certainly a lot bigger. That's my first thing I'll say, but they do last 45 or 47 minutes, which, wow. Okay, I'm gonna put this packaging away. Look at this now. That's a beast. That is certainly an upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro. Wow. I'm excited. Okay. This is going to be the propellers. Ooh. Okay, now I understand why you need a license for these things. So I've got several sets of propellers. Whew. Where to start? Are they? I forget whether they're all the same or not. Look, I'll go through these and then click them on, and we'll come back. Now it comes with 2 spare sets of propellers, so they are labeled. There's 2 A's and 2 B's on the drone itself, and then it comes with another set of propellers. Now, just so I don't forget, I'm just going to put these straight in my bag, and then, you know, it's done. And your propellers are there if you ever need them. Oh, also in the bag, there is a little USB cable, and I'm assuming we set up the guide with this. All right. Okay, so I finally have the propellers on. They just snap on. It kind of reminds me of the old Spark, actually. The way the propellers snap on. And then, you know, you take the case off, and it'll come with this little foam thing that goes around the gimbal. Anyway, I actually find these really annoying. I don't know about you guys, but a lot of the time, I don't keep these on when I put them away. Maybe that's a silly move, but pain in the ass. And then on the back, it's just got like a little cover that opens up, and it's got the slot for the SD and the USB-C to charge it. Seems like this doesn't come charged at all, so I'm gonna go and put these on charge. So here I'm just going to show you a little bit of test footage for the day, and in about a week or two we'll go into a full depth review afterwards and see how I actually still like this. On first flight it is buttery smooth and definitely a huge upgrade over the Mini 3 Pro. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.